Hello everyone. Today's my topic for presentation is the Spanish Civil War in literature. This is my academic information table of content. Research question. How do different literary genres shape the representation of the Spanish Civil War? Hypothesis. Fictional account of Spanish Civil War, like For Whom the Bell Tolls, tend to romanticize or dramatize the conflict, while memories like Homage to Catalonia provide critical first-hand perspectives. Introduction. Spanish Civil War military revolt against the Republican government of Spain, supported by conservative elements within the country. When an initial military coup failed to win control of the entire country, a bloody civil war ensued, fought with great ferocity of both sides. The nationalists, as the rebels were called, received aid from fascist Italy and Nazi Germany. The Republicans received aid from the Soviet Union as well as from the international bridges, composed of volunteers from Europe and the United States. The war was an outcome of polarization of Spanish life and political that had developed over previous decades. On one side, the nationalists were most Roman Catholic, important element of the military, most landowners, and many businessmen. On the other hand, the Republicans were urban workers, most agriculture laborers, and many of the educated middle class background. Uh, Spanish Civil War, political instability, a fragile second Republican faced deep division between left and right, economic hardship like poverty, inequality, and ownership issue fueled resentment, social tension, growing influence of radical ideology, military disconnect. A faction of the army led by General Franco plotted against the Republican, the spark, the military uprising. A military coup led by General Franco initiated the civil war. Initial success, rebels seized control of part of Spain, including much of the army, divided nation. Spain was split between the nationalist rebels and the Republican loyalists. The brutality of the war, bombing on of Guernica, political repression. Both sides engage in widespread execution and imprisonment of opponents. Social revolution. The war also became a battleground for competing social and political vision. Uh, the number of persons killed in Spanish Civil War can be only roughly estimated. Nationalist force put the figure at 1 million, including not only those killed in battle but also the victim of a bombardment, execution, and assassination. More recent estimates have been close to 500,000 or less. This does not include all those who died from malnutrition, starvation, or disease. Republican fails because nationalists have support of dictator like Hitler and Mussolini. Ernest Hemingway's experience in the Spanish Civil War. He experienced Spanish Civil War because he was a journalist of America in that time. Hemingway's unique position. Hemingway's individuality and direct involvement in the Spanish Civil War set him apart. He was initially celebrated as a champion of a Republican cause, but later faced criticism and dismissal from the American Communist Party. This unique position gave him a distinct perspective on the war, shaping his understanding of its complexity and human cost. Example in the literature: George Orwell's homage to Catalonia, Xavier Cercas' Soldier of Salmis, Ernest Hemingway's For Whom the Bell Tolls, mm, Mears Roderda's The Time of the Doves, Andrew Merlock's Man's Hope, John Dos Passos' Adventure of the Young Man, painting and photography, Pablo Picasso's Guernica, Robert Capa's photograph, Death of the Loyalist Soldier Spain, songs Spanish Bombs, and If You Tolerate This, Your Children Will Be Next, movie that refers to Spanish Civil War. Conclusion. Literature on the Spanish Civil War capture ideological divides, exile, trauma, and memory, from Orwell's realism to Hemingway's romanticism and post-Franco reflection like Soldier of Salmis. It shaped historical understanding. Human's narrative highlight civilian suffering, while contemporary works reclaim separate histories. Literature ensure the war's legacy remain alive. Resource. Thank you. Question.
So, as you have talked about journalism, about author Ernest Hemingway and Orwell. So, my question for you is, how do Hemingway and Orwell portray the Spanish Civil War differently?
Hemingway portrays Spanish Civil War as a heroic, like his character Robert Jordan and his sacrifice and all. And Orwell portrays Spanish Civil War as betrayal and cruel, and he give a reality of war, and Hemingway give next.
So, Nirali, my question is, what are the psychological effects of war as depicted in literature about the Spanish Civil War?
Psychological effect in Hemingway's novel, like Maria Strong, anyone in war, but he stick to his duty, and Orwell's disillusionment and